You'll have visions of these Sugar Plum Linzer cookies dancing in your head after one bite. Crisp, tender, and the brightness of the sugar plum jam is sure to put a smile on many faces. Your holiday celebrations just got a lot more elegant. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. In a bowl, combine 1 cup all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup almond flour, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of allspice, and stir to combine and then set aside. In a mixing bowl, add 3/4 cup of softened butter and 1/2 cup of sugar and cream together. Scrape down the sides of the bowl and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, then 1 large egg yolk and combine. Add about 1/3 of the flour mixture to the butter mixture and combine and repeat until all of the flour is added, making sure not to overmix. Divide the dough into 4 and shape each half into a disc. Wrap in plastic wrap and refrigerate for an hour. Put a large cookie sheet in the freezer for rolling. Using the frozen cookie sheet, lightly flour the surface and roll 1 disc of the dough out about 1/4 inch thick. Using your Linzer cookie cutters, press into the dough and repeat with all of the bottoms and carefully transfer to another cookie sheet for baking. Do another cut and then turn the cutter over to the decorative side, in my case a star, and press out the middle. Repeat with the same number of tops to bottom, using an ice pack under the sheet to keep the dough chilled. Using the scrap dough, roll and repeat the process. Place the cut cookies into the fridge for about 15 to 30 minutes so they hold their shape when baking. Bake at 350 for 8 to 10 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. Allow them to cool for 5 minutes on the cookie sheet and then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. Time to get your plum jam ready. Give it a good stir and break it up, and I find that a melon baller works really well for getting consistent amounts. Scoop onto a baked cookie bottom and spread evenly. Then place the decorative cookie on top. Repeat with all of the cookies until all sandwich cookies are made. Dust with powdered sugar and sing "Let It Snow." It enhances the experience. Sugar Plum Linzer cookies are a great twist on a traditional Christmas favorite. Use whatever jam you prefer, but how fun to tie in a night before Christmas with sugar plum jam. Sounds like the perfect thing to eat while reading the story inspiring the cookie before tucking in for a long winter's night. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Until then, here are a few more videos you may like. Don't forget to give a thumbs up.